Hi guys, welcome to Box Office India. This is Anita, and today we have a very special guest with us. She is a famous actress, and I can't wait to introduce you all to her. It's none other than Priyamani with us. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So how is this lockdown treating you?
I think this lockdown is treating me as it is treating everybody else. Been at home, doing homework, literally.
Right.
And just spending time with family. Yeah.
Yeah, in one of your interviews, I read that since you got married, you had a very hectic schedule. You were doing back-to-back shooting. So finally, there is a relief. Finally, you get to be at home. So how did you make most of it?
Make most of it as in spend time with family, do all stuff with family, be it, oh my god, you got a dog. I'm so sorry. I'm a
Yes,
big animal lover.
same here. So whenever I go live, he's always active. So I can't do anything.
Oh, what's his name?
But
Bud. Hi. He's so cute. Oh my god.
he's always part of the live.
I'm sure.
He
Mood
wonders
distract.
who am I talking to? Yeah, he wonders who am I talking to suddenly.
Yeah.
So,
Just spending time with family. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. I mean, I get distracted very quickly.
I am
But it's
sorry.
okay. It's a good distraction. No, it's a good distraction. Trust me. So just spending time with family, catching up on a lot of lost movies and missed out movies and
Right.
missed out series and things like that. So yeah, I think that's about it that we're doing, and just spending time with family, talking, laughing, fighting, crying, everything together.
Right. So what are you binge watching right now? What are you watching currently?
I'm watching this Turkish show called The Gift on
Okay.
Netflix.
Nice.
Anything else? Any other suggestions? If people have, please do let me know. I mean, because I can see a lot of people already, they're commenting and things like that.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
anybody
Yes.
has any good suggestions for any good series to watch? Apart from Money
You
Heist,
watched?
because I finished all the series of Money Heist.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
How about
and
How to Get Away with Murder? It's a suspense
I have seen
thriller.
three seasons at the moment, I think.
Okay. Okay.
I don't know how
So
many
there are
seasons are
5.
there, or 2
Yeah, there
seasons,
are
I
more.
think.
Yeah,
Okay.
there are more. There are
No,
more.
I think I must have done like 2 or 3. I think I'm not sure.
Okay. So we are here today to talk about your Ateet, the show.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, you have done a lot of thriller films, and so how is Ateet different from all of them?
I think the way Ateet has been handled is very different because usually work in the South, I mean, such a suspense thriller or a horror genre in the South, you'll have ghosts coming into your face and screaming on your face and scaring you immediately like that. This, I think, it's treated in a very, it's in a very English way, I can say, as in it's very.
Okay.
It's subtle yet, it's very impactful. That much I can definitely say.
Oh, nice. So, have you always been a fan of thriller, suspense, horror films?
See, this genre is not new to me because I've done a lot of this kind of genre in the South. So it's not new to me, and I love, horror genre. I love I'm so sorry. Please give him a big hug from my side.
Sure.
Oh, my friend is online. He's saying Shahab, who played the villain in Family Man. Hi, Shahab.
Hi.
So I love this genre of horror, and I love watching it. Anything to do with supernatural and paranormal, I'm the first person to watch it. So
Yeah.
I love it. I mean, I'm a big fan of it, and to be part of such a good genre, I think is a different genre, I can say. But as I said, it's been handled and treated in a different way. So it's
Correct. Correct. So a lot of people are commenting saying that they're currently watching Ateet and they're loving it.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah. So this is the second show that you have done in
This is a movie.
Sorry. Movie. Sorry.
Yeah. So
First movie? First
it's in
movie.
the digital platform. Yes.
Digital platform. So how different do you find the entire culture of this digital thing?
If I see, if I can be very honest, this is actually a commercial film meant for theaters and things like that.
Hmm.
That's what we had in mind when we shot the film.
Oh,
But obviously, because of the lockdown and things like that,
right, right,
we were not able to release it. Unfortunately, we were not able to release it in the theaters, and which is why we've released it digitally. And I'm really happy that a fabulous platform like ZEE5 has taken over, and they've
yeah,
got the film and they've released the film, which is it's streaming on ZEE5 right now.
right,
So people who've not downloaded ZEE5, please do download ZEE5 and do catch
right,
the thing, because I think one good thing about ZEE5 is it's got a lot of good content. Be it in the
right.
series and the movies as well, so they've got fantastic content, and I have to say thank you to ZEE5 for coming on board and releasing Atit.
Right. There are also comments about Family Man.
Yes.
It was supposed to release, the second part was supposed to release in September. I think it's pushed now to October.
I think it might be October because
Right.
the post-production work is happening at the moment. So I know a lot of people are texting saying, when is Family Man 2 coming out? It should come out by October, but if there's any further delay, we'll let you know.
Family Man got a very good response. I watched it. I completely loved it.
Thank you.
Were you expecting that kind of response when you were shooting for the show?
To be very honest, I shot only for my portions, obviously, with Manoj sir and Sharad and the actors involved. The whole show as such, I didn't know how it's going to look and everything. But the moment, when it started streaming and we all actually saw the first episode together, I absolutely fell in love with it. Not because I was a part of it, but the whole show as such, the whole series as such, the way Raj sir and DK sir have handled it, I think has been great. And the way they've taken, for the authenticity, they've taken the actors, based on the ethnicity and things like that.
Right. Right.
So I think it's great, and I think season 2, people who are waiting for season 2, keep waiting. I think it's going to come out in October very, very soon. Don't worry about that. It'll come out very fast. And season 2 will definitely be better, bigger, better. I can see that, yeah.
Looking forward to that. You also have a couple of movies down south. Can we talk about that as well? You have one with Rana Raghupati.
I have one with Rana. I have one with Venkatesh sir. Which I'm currently working on right now. Both of them are Telugu films. But obviously now, because of the lockdown and things like that, we're not able to. I mean, all of us are quarantined at home. But yeah, I guess once the quarantine is lifted and it is safe to go back to work, then we'll all head to work. I can't wait to go back to work, actually.
Right. So you have also shifted to Mumbai recently, if I'm not wrong. So how is Mumbai treating you?
2 years. It's been 2 years since I've shifted to Mumbai.
So how is Mumbai treating you so far?
It's fantastic. It's superb. I am liking Mumbai, and I've been slowly I'm getting used to the Mumbai life, I can say.
So you're juggling between Mumbai and then you travel back to south to work out there?
Yes, I do.
That's nice. So now that you have made your Bollywood debut in the digital form, when can we see you doing a full-fledged Bollywood film?
Very soon. I have just finished
Maidan.
Yes, I just want to say that. So my portion of the film is done. They still have a bit of work to do. But yeah, once they're done with the shoot and things like that, and once they make an official announcement as to when it's going to release, we'll definitely keep you all updated.
How was it working with Ajay sir?
Fabulous. But there's still time for all that because it's a little too early to even comment about it. But I really had a good time working with Ajay sir, yes.
Right. But apart from Maidan, is there anything in the pipeline?
In Hindi? At the moment,
in Hindi.
No, I am not committed to anything at the moment. It's just Maidan right now. But yes, season 2 of Family Man is there. Plus, my films down south are there, and then I have some couple of reality shows in the south as well, for which I'm part. I am a judge for that. One of the judges for that. So yeah, at the moment, my kitty is full.
You also have you're playing Shashikala in the biopic?
No, I'm not part of that project.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because I kept reading, I just got some articles saying that you are part of it. So,
No, I'm not part of the project.
oh, okay. So what else? What else do we expect from you? And who is your Bollywood inspiration? You know, it's so nice to see you all here with us. But who is your inspiration in Bollywood?
Uh, my inspiration, my idols, if you ask me, has always been the late Sridevi ji and Kamal Hassan sir. They've always been
Mhm.
my
Yes,
inspirations, my idols. Um, I've obviously grown up watching a lot of their films, and the way they bring out the character on screen, it's just, they just, I don't know, they just create magic when they come on screen.
right.
And yeah, so they are my idols, they are my inspirations, I can say.
Now you have worked in more than 50 films. Which
Hmm.
character would you say was the most challenging one to perform?
I have three films which has been pretty difficult for me, performance wise, execution wise also. One was my Tamil film called Pariti Veeran, for which I got the National Award in
National award,
2007.
yeah.
The other one was a Malayalam film called Tirakada, where it was based on life of an actress between 1982 to 2008.
Right.
And the third one was bilingual. It was a Kannada and Tamil film called Charulata, where I played conjoined twins.
Yeah, right. Oh, I have
So
seen that. I've
these,
seen that.
yeah, so these three, uh, physically, mentally, and emotionally, these three have been pretty draining actually. When compared to all the other films, these have been pretty draining, physically, mentally, and emotionally for me.
But as an actor, did you have any inhibitions in the beginning, or you still have any?
I initially I did have inhibitions when I came out with the thing, because I remember my very first film in Tamil. We shot that in Sri Lanka and Switzerland and things like that.
Uh-huh.
And I was always wondering whenever we had to perform. Performing a scene was not a big problem for me, but when I had to dance,
Hmm.
I was always wondering, like, why are people actually looking at me? Why can't they actually go and do their work? And I used to actually feel a little shy, coming and dancing in front of them, and to express, emote in front of them. I used to feel a little shy. I was actually I had that inhibition that
Mm-hmm.
should I actually do it? Shouldn't I do it? But then it just grows on you. This was obviously as I said, this is my very first
In the
film, but
beginning.
yeah, so gradually it grows on you, and then you're like, it's okay. If they see. I mean, it's okay.
It's
It's
okay.
your job. You're supposed to do it, and if
Right.
your work is taking you abroad, and they want to shoot songs or they want to shoot scenes, whatever, depending on the script and the story and things like that. Just
Right.
do it, because that's your job and you're supposed to do it. So it just, that gradually it just grew on to me, and I was like, okay, you know what? Just forget it. It's my job. I have to do it.
Right. So we have a question. Priyamani Garu, what is your opinion on Sudigali? Sudhir Anna.
Sudhi,
Sudhir Anna.
Sudigali Sudhir. This is a show that I do in Telugu, which is called D. And he's one of the, in the show, he's one of the team leaders. And
Okay.
undoubtedly, he and the anchor, Pradeep, both of them together, they just create magic on, the sets.
Mm-hmm.
And contrary to belief, all the people who are saying that we all love Sudhir, he's one of the best and the most versatile persons I've ever met. Because he
Right.
can sing, he sings, he does magic, he can dance, he can act. So he's a versatile person, and I think we are all lucky to have Sudhir as part of our D family.
Someone is asking your favorite hero in Telugu cinema.
My all-time favorite is Sridevi Garu, the late Sridevi ji.
Great shoot. Okay. Uh, Missing D episodes.
Yeah, even I'm
think-
just reading that. Vinay.
Yeah. I'm putting him down.
Vinay, yes, we are also missing D, but because unfortunately everybody, that the whole country is on a lockdown, we're not able to do much. So let's hope that once the lockdown is lifted and it's safe to work, we'll all get back and we'll be back to entertain all of you very soon.
Exactly. Your favorite actor in Tamil industry? So everyone is asking your favorite actors.
See, I can't, I have to be diplomatic. I mean, see, I've always loved Kamal sir and Sridevi ma'am.
Yes.
They're my all-time favorites. So I really can't say, I'll just leave it at that. Let me leave it at that.
Which is your favorite film of Sridevi ma'am?
I love her. Okay, in Hindi it was called Sadma.
With Kamal sir.
Yeah. And that was my all-time favorite, which is directed by my guru, Balu Mahendra sir. I've done a film with him. I was fortunate enough that I did a film with him. So that's my all-time favorite film of Sridevi ji. I love Chalbaz also, the way she carried both the characters.
Yes.
Oh my god. And all the other films also, even the way she came out with Nagin also. I mean, I was I was just blown away because first and foremost, Sridevi ji had the biggest, I think she had these really big eyes, the captivating eyes. And when she became Nagin and with that, that lens and everything, I was like, wow.
Blue eyes.
Blue eyes. Yeah, I never knew that, Ichhadari Nagins could look so good.
Yeah, right. But given a chance, would you like to do a biopic on her? Would you like to be part of the biopic?
Yeah, why not? I would love to be part of it. Yeah, why not?
Okay.
I mean,
sorry.
To be a part of a biography of one of my idol, I would actually give my right hand to be a part of it.
But any other personality would you like to do a biopic on? Would you want to play the role? Where you want to play the role?
I haven't actually thought about it. Yeah.
Okay. So we have some more questions.
Sorry, Mukesh Chabra is online. Hi, Mukesh.
Hi, Mukesh. So we did a nice 7-day session with him as well, where he was interacting with all the fans and teaching them.
It's because of Mukesh that people got to know me in Family Man, because Mukesh was the one who called me for it, and he called me and he said, you know what, there's a series and would you like to be a part of it? And that's when I went to Mukesh's office and met Raj sir and DK sir. So, and after that also Mukesh has been calling me for a lot of meetings and things like that. So thank you, Mukesh. Thank you so much.
But are you selective that way when it comes to films and shows that you're part of?
I was always selective. I was always selective. I think my criteria first and foremost would be the script, the story. And if I'm convinced with what has been told to me, be it in the half an hour or be it in the 2 hours, depending on each and every director, how they want to convey it. If I'm convinced, I'll definitely do it. Otherwise, I won't do it. I've always been like that.
Right. What is your idea and opinion on reality shows? Would you be okay being part of reality shows like Bigg Boss or Khatron Ke Khiladi?
No, I won't.
No? Not your cup of tea?
I like watching them, but no, definitely not my cup of tea.
Why you left DJD Priya?
Okay,
what is DJD Priya?
DJD is a Tamil show, a reality dance show called Dance Jodi Dance, which is something on the lines of Jhalak Dikhla Ja. Something on the lines of that.
Okay.
And so I was part of it. I just went for a very short while. So to answer your question, I had my projects back to back. So I actually couldn't allot my dates for that. So when I told them that, when I came on board, I just told them that I was free for a little while. So till I'm free, you can utilize my dates. After that, I'm going to be extremely busy and I don't think I'll be able to allot any dates, which I couldn't. So that's why I couldn't be a part of DJD.
Okay, you always look cute in bun hairstyle.
Thank you for that. Thank you. I let me see. Maybe another time I'll do a bun and something can come. Yeah.
Okay. Someone is asking, how is your husband doing, Priyamani Garu?
He's doing fine. He's actually, I think he's working now, so he won't come on this. He won't photobomb this live and say hi.
Okay. So we have a couple of more questions.
Yeah.
But are you enjoying the digital space?
Yes, I am actually. It's I can say shooting for a digital content is it's faster in a way than shooting for a normal cinema and things like that.
Right.
Because you have two cameras simultaneously on you, and it's faster for sure, because you finish one scene
Right.
and then you go and change for another scene, you come back, shoot for it, go back again, come back and shoot for it, and so it's
Right.
you constantly just on the move.
Correct. It's
Yeah.
quick. So
Yeah,
it's better.
it's fast. Yes.
Yeah. What is your future ambition? There is someone asking.
Future ambition in what? As in, I just want to keep working for now. Up till the industry accepts me, I will definitely work. Because I'm still hungry to work for more. So let's see. For a couple of more years, I'm definitely planning to work for some more years, for sure.
Do you have any dream role that you still want, you want to do?
I want to do like a out and out negative character.
Wow.
I want to do something like that. I want to do a out and out comic role, like something like in a Golmaal series, how it is. Yeah, I would love to do something like that.
Any Hindi movies that you watched recently?
I just saw Shubh Mangal Zyada Saavdhan on Amazon Prime.
How did you find it?
That was my late. I liked it. It's cute. I mean, I think the way they have handled the homosexual topic, I think is great. Yeah. I think because I don't think they have touched on the topic of late. In any of the languages, if I'm right, it was actually refreshing to see Ayushmann Khurrana doing something like this, because I think that guy is on a roll. I think there's no stopping him, because with the selection of movies that he's doing, the roles that he's taken up and he's doing, it's just amazing.
Right. Also, I wanted to know, who is that one actor that you had fun with? Like, on sets he's crazy and he's always fun, you enjoy working with.
You mean in Bollywood or in the South? Or?
Anywhere, South, Bollywood, wherever you can.
Bollywood, though not many, but yeah, I can definitely say Abhishek was fun. Because when I did Ravan, I remember I was not feeling well for a couple of days, and he actually made this ginger chicken curry or something, and he actually said that, this has medicinal values and you have to eat it. And I was naive enough to believe. I believed it, and I actually had it. My mom and I, because both of us were there. We were shooting at Orcha at that point of time. So he saw that I was not in a good state, and he actually went to the kitchen and he was cooking for himself, obviously. But he was gracious enough to give us some of the curry that he had made. And as I said, I was naive enough, and I actually had it. It was good. It was definitely good. Yeah. Yeah, it was good.
How sweet of him. Also, we noticed you in Chennai Express, when you did the 1, 2, 3. So you love dancing. Would we see you doing such item numbers more, or songs more?
To be very honest, I haven't thought about it. I did get a lot of offers post Chennai Express, post people started noticing me and things like that. I did get offers for songs like this, but I did not take it up because I didn't want to be like, oh, you know what? I didn't want to have my name in Bollywood. I didn't want people to know me just because of songs and things like that. So I very politely declined everything, and I guess destiny had another route for me. Plan for me, yeah. Something else. So, which is why I went through, I got Family Man, and then one led to the other, and then I got Maidan, and then obviously season 2 of Family Man is going to come up soon. Right. And I am listening to a lot of scripts for OTT platforms and things like that. But yeah, I will take my time left. Obviously now, because of lockdown, all of us are at home.
You can't do anything.
We're not able to do much. So once this thing is lifted, and again once they say that it's safe to work, I think I'm just going to dive into work. I'm sure all of us are. We're just going to dive into work, and we're just going to be like neck deep busy with work.
Right. What about someone has asked me, what excites you the most?
Animals per se. But no, if you're asking me like that, yes, I do like animals, and I think they're the best stress busters. If you have a long day, if you've had a long day and you come back home, I think there's nothing like a wet nose and a lick on your face to greet you and just take
Yeah.
your troubles away. Yeah, so I think, and I talking about all this now, I've started missing my dog, which is back in Bangalore. So
Oh, which breed is it?
he's a chow chow.
Oh, how cute! I wanted to have a chow chow, but in Bombay it's very difficult.
Very
to
difficult,
get
yeah.
one.
Especially
Yeah.
now with this weather, it's
Yeah.
crazy. Yeah.
Even for the Shih Tzus, it's very hot now. This time at least.
You
And
have to keep
really,
them under
he
the
is,
AC for like you have to
yeah,
keep them in the AC like 24/7.
yes. And he is a stress buster, trust me. And especially during lockdown, this is the best thing
Yeah.
that could happen to
Yeah.
me at least.
Yeah.
He's just 3 months old and I'm happy with him. I'm just happy. I don't want him to grow. I
So
don't want
cute,
him
so
to
cute.
grow. My final question, and there are a lot of people asking me to tell you to say hi to them in your language. All the languages people have just kept telling me. So please say
Right.
hi to them, and I'll have my
So
final question after that.
I'll just say hi to each and everybody who have come on this live and saying hi. I'm so sorry I won't be personally taking any questions. One or two I might take, but apart from that, or thanks to Box Office India for taking quite a few questions. But apart from that, I don't think I'll be able to take many more questions because I have a lot of other interviews lined up. But thank you so much for having me on this live, and thank you so much for everybody who came on this live and watching me on this live. But somebody just asked me
No.
what's my view on TikTok. Mridul VM. TikTok is also a
yeah.
good stress buster. I can see a lot of talented people on TikTok, and the way they create their videos and things like that is actually funny. So kudos to all the guys who are on TikTok and doing such fantastic videos and entertaining us on TikTok.
Will we see you in on TikTok?
No.
Okay, my final question. Apart from diving into work post the lockdown, what is the one thing that you will do apart from working that you want to catch up on?
Catch up with all my friends, I guess. I mean, I obviously miss seeing them. Work friends, obviously. Maybe just catch up with all of them, talk to them. I'm sure all of us are going to have a lot of stories during this lockdown.
Yeah.
Untold stories, obviously, we can't reveal them to the fans and things like that. So probably when we
Right.
meet and, we're going to have like tons of stories to say what all we did every day during lockdown, what are the funny things that happened and things. So I'm just waiting actually to get back to work. I think that's because that's the only thing I've been I started my career in 2002, so from then till now it's just been work. It's just off late that I have started taking some time out for myself, just go on a vacation maybe, be it for 7 days or 10 days. I just go and come back just to let your hair down once in a while. I just started doing that very recently. But apart from that, it's just been work. So I'm just dying to get back to work actually.
Okay.
My stylist is online and she's like, I'm hungry too, Priye. Okay, cook something for me, Mehak. I'll come home and I'll have it. Don't worry. This is Mehak Shetty. She's Rohit Shetty's sister.
Oh.
So she styled for me. She's been my stylist from Chennai Express.
Chennai Express.
So she does all my, so she does all my clothes. For all my shows and shoots and things like that. So first person I call is Mehak. So I keep telling her like, help me out with some clothes. So she does. Yeah.
Okay, so this is the last one I'm going to ask. Someone has asked me to ask you your skincare routine. I should have done that.
Okay, so I have a couple of. I just keep moisturizing my skin. But yes, you can actually, I have not put makeup obviously, so you can actually see a couple of breakouts over here. I'm getting some pimples and things like that. But apart from that, I have this vitamin C oil and a couple of moisturizers which I keep applying on my face twice, once in the morning and once in the evening.
So any other weird thing that you do to take care of your skin, like basin, you apply basin or anything? Nuskas that we use at home.
I have just started sharing the mask with my husband. So it's basically curd, turmeric, lime. What else?
Honey.
Yeah. So just put that on your face, keep it till it dries out, and I guess it removes your tan also.
That's nice.
So yeah,
Chalo.
I've just been sharing all this with my husband, and then there's something. Yeah, so I think these are the ones that we've been sharing together to take
How
out
sweet.
the dryness, and obviously it makes your skin supple also after a while.
Yeah, it makes it soft and shiny also because of the curd.
Yes. Yes.
Even I do the same thing. We have a lot of time right now, so I am trying out everything that is in the kitchen, I think.
Exactly,
Right?
exactly.
Great. So on that note, I will let you go. You have a busy
Thank
day
you.
today. Thank you so
Yeah.
much for coming live with us and spending some
Thank
time.
you. Thank you so
And
much.
wish
Thank
you all the very best for Ateet and Family Man too. Looking forward
Thank
to
you.
meet you face to face very soon.
Definitely, very soon.
Yes, yes.
Right.
Thank you so
Take
much.
care.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Bye. Bye. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye.
For joining us. Hope you all enjoyed the interaction with her. Stay tuned. We'll get more people on live with us. Do let us know who you want us to go live with next, and we will try our best to get them. Thank you for joining, and stay safe, stay happy. Bye.